Yo, what up, everybody? It's P-Sci. We got some packs for you from Ante. Got some Battles of Legend, Heroes Revenge.
Yeah.
Such a great
Top
set.
32 at YCS Chicago. I was playing BLHR.
Yeah.
Deck. Yeah, it was pretty good. This card's the best card of the deck.
Oh, dude, that's broken.
You play at least 3 of these.
It's so crazy that it's still a 3.
Amazing. Yeah, you could just straight up, you normal summon, special summon, it doesn't matter. You can search no matter what. Like,
dude, that's
and
broken.
the best part about it is if you chain this one and resolve, then they can't even call it by the grave you. Like, it's just an instant, like,
chain blocking,
this
hell
thing literally
yeah.
by itself will win you games. You just open it. And then you play 3. Okay, that's good. And then you play 3 of the Searcher. Yeah, I really like this card. Honestly, but the thing is, it's a hard once per turn. Like, yes, it searches anything in the deck, but the biggest issue with it is that if you have double of these things, it's straight up dead. Like, but it's so good, so you always want to see with your opening hand, but you want to see sometimes. I was honestly thinking of cutting it out to want to, but it's just too good.
Good.
And then this thing can also has a combo too, where if this thing would be destroyed, you can banish this from your graveyard, and then you can protect these. So that's kind of cool.
And then because he wasn't destroyed,
kind of like Bailings.
Yeah, it's kind of like Bailings, but it's better, honestly.
Oh,
okay. Then you play one Battles of Legend, Heroes Revenge. So basically, this is more of a tech card choice. Like, a lot of people aren't playing this, but it's actually really good. So you can search it off of this, and then you can add this to your hand, and then when your opponent you attack directly, not only do you get this effect of you get to search off its attack, but on top of that you get double battle damage, and then your opponent, they can't respond to the attack. So it's kind of just like in a format right now where like you have Ego Booster and stuff. This is really good.
That is actually really good. Okay, awesome.
And then finally, this is my Win More card. Once again, just a spicy tech.
That's like Soul Charge, except for the
it's basically like Soul Charge for the archetype, so it's really good. But the thing is, it costs half your life points, and life points are like the most important. No, they're the most important thing in Yu-Gi-Oh! If you lose 1, you basically auto lose.
But with all these, you're fine, honestly.
Yeah, but with all these, it's totally
like, this doesn't even matter.
If you're taking damage, you're losing, man.
If this one's face up on the field, every time you draw, you gain 500 life points.
Yeah, but the problem is, in time, because this thing costs you any life points, you instantly lose if you don't get this off. So it just sucks.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the deck. Thank you for watching. Time to open some packs.
All right, let's get started.
This is the good one.
Number 1. Open my blisters for me. Bless one, Brian. You have the best luck.
Brian blessed mine yesterday, and I got an anchor. And then what did I get from yours, Jake?
Sarah.
That's
Is
awesome.
the secret rare on top?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I blessed another one, and they got an engage out of that one.
Okay, so this is the one I'm looking at.
Battle Wasp, broken. More Battle Wasp.
Lolly. Okay.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Oh, Dragulion.
That's gonna be good. That fuck
too much
Info 40
text for
set's gonna be
fucking
good.
me, dude. I can't read that. I don't know how to read. Alright.
Let's see. From my pack, I got a Wyver Burster, an Absolute Zero, a Gimmick Puppet, Squamata, and Train Link, that double-headed
Angry Camel Knuckle.
I didn't even know that the...
Oh, shit, I opened the secret first, Lamau. Oh, it's some Fortune Fairy garbage.
Alright, this one.
Oh, Ultra Will.
Nice.
Or Sanctuary.
Nice.
Alright, I want to see yours.
That's the
oh,
one I
shit,
blessed.
Alright, Jake blessed this one.
Alright, let's see it.
Come on, Gary needs new dildo.
Okay.
Vision Hero Poisoner.
Yeah.
Oh, how? Wait, what? Did I not move?
You put the bottom card on top instead of the top card on bottom.
So what is it? A TG card. Good job. That's awesome.
Sanctuary again.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, Jake blessed this one.
Blessed.
Come on. And this is the secret. Oh, it's warped. That means it has to be good.
Yeah.
Oh, Afterburners.
Nice.
That's nice.
That's not that bad. A Battle
These are
Wasp.
I love Battle Wasps. Okay.
Love Serpent.
Garbage.
And then All Eyes.
Odd Eyes Bullshit Dragon.
Oh, that's different. Here, I'll get you this one.
Do the pack upside down, Tony. Can't see it.
Oh, okay, my bad. Didn't realize I was trying to create content.
Yeah, dude. With your deck profile to start me off that you didn't tell me about.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is the
broken.
Oh, this
is
nice.
Actually. That's a really nice reprinted all beast. Another Battle Wasp.
And oh, that's really good. Actually.
Oh, that's really good. A lot of
in,
people are looking for that.
Yeah,
it's good in BA. It's good in Mystic Mind because it'll protect your stuff. If Mystic Mind survives the list.
It will.
Alright, I want something decent.
Yo, send me the mint metaverse.
If this is a good poll, Patrick will eat a Yu-Gi-Oh card.
No, I will not.
Luna Light, free garbage. Vision Hero something.
No.
Sure.
Okay.
What the fuck
wow,
is this,
Battle
dude?
Wasp.
I'm building Battle Wasps. That's it.
Alright, I'll trade you my Battle Wasp stuff.
I can't get it for free?
Well, you probably can. It's so worthless. I don't even know what it does, honestly. I heard it's like Black Wings.
Another Afterburners.
That's really good. That's really good.
More
Another Battle Wasp.
Come on, baby.
Heroes.
Come on, baby.
Another one. Hello.
That's really good.
It's like 3
I want Engage.
Well, here's your Boral Sword, though.
Easy
Yeah, like he
Boral
pulled
Sword.
like 3 of them.
Yeah, a lot of cards you get here to be really good,
Who
actually.
needs a fucking...
I'm just gonna open it up. Slumber. That's
Slumber.
nice and secret,
Yeah, it
though.
is,
Wow.
Yeah, it's a nice printing. I mean,
That
like,
is very
yeah.
nice.
But I mean, you didn't...
Oh my God.
Symbol of friendship, guys.
We're all
Symbol of
winners.
friendship.
We're all winners.
Come on, Jake, we're waiting
Put
for
the
you.
friendship in.
There we go. Oh, you ruined it. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.